Guys, another day, another flight, and as per usual it was absolute madness getting to the airport, but I made it. And yeah, I'll see you guys on the other side. Just having a cheeky little glass of rosé with Melly Mel. Oh, that's my travel buddy, by the way. So chin chin.
Cause your time no be my time.
Yeah, it's your girl Jane Molly.
Turn your dark to light.
Shining, they don't wanna see you shining. Bright like a diamond. You're the hater when they see a nigga styling. Woo. Trying, gotta keep trying. See, it's all in the grinding. Yeah, it's all in the timing. Yeah, now, who's hot, who's not? Tell me who rock, who sell out the stores. You tell me who flop, my tunes they blew up. No new friends, we brought the crew up. Starting real hard cause life is too short. Yeah, shout out to Too Short. Living my life, I'm moving through blocks and running through walls and never give up. For these walls, we gon' have to move on. No retreat, no surrender. I got the energy, power on me. We're gonna take me places. This life not the best. If you live and think I'm twice, baby, no they don't. You will live your life. Cause your time no be my time. Oh, but what you darling for? Turn your dark to light. There'll be storms, there'll be trials, yeah they do come. Gotta stay strong though the week's long. Gotta play coach, keep the team on. When you reaching for the stars, you ain't willing to chill. Go double on the hustle cause the struggle is real. Young God, tell me how do you feel? When you're out in the field, it's crew well in the field. Vulture, settle in, and I'm willing to kill. The cold nights nearly caught me in chill. It was hard to keep on, I'm just keeping it real. But a couple real ones, they gon' know how to feel. Yeah, we hit the motorbikes, you know, the great ones, fake ones, snake ones, take one. Put your shades on, blowing on the great one. No plan B, my nigga, I made one. I live my life, amen. For these walls, we gon' have to move on.
This is a rental car.
No surrender.
I'm going to be driving the first time in Europe on the wrong side of the freaking road. Pray for me, people. Oh, this is madness. That's such drama already, but I will tell you guys all about it in a bit. Oh, guys, we're in FUERTEVENTURA. So guys, it has been a long day of traveling. If I tell you the stress that I went through today, but it's all worth it. We just got to the apartment and I'm going to show you guys. Wait, let me give you guys a proper tour. So this is when you come through the front door, and we've got the most modern kitchen. It's all sleek and new. Nice tiled floors. Then we come into the living room area. Absolutely huge. And then we have our own balcony. Give this a go. So we've got this big balcony. Can you guys just imagine the shots there? Just come through and imagine the shots. Like, are you kidding me? And like, just these massive apartments in FUERTEVENTURA. And then I'm gonna go in from the balcony to my bedroom. I was a bit mean. I picked the bedroom before Melissa. And this is my bed. So we have our own rooms each. Comes with like, just absolutely huge. A cute little mirror. This is the bed. And so my room comes back into the living room and the balcony in the kitchen. Then we have our own bathrooms each. So this is, I guess, my bathroom. Wow, it's bright now. Look at that. It's absolutely huge. So then this is Mel's bathroom. She's got a shower, mirror, towels, and then we come through her bedroom. She's hiding on the balcony. She's got her own balcony just there. And then another double bed. That's really nice, fam. How mad is this apartment? Guys, comment below. How mad is this apartment? But yes, I mean, we've just doing me and we are looking good. Feeling good. Shout out to all the minxes, eh? So it's our first night in FUERTEVENTURA and I'm just getting ready. So I'll show you guys a proper outfit in a bit, but so guys, I changed my outfit, but this is the look to go out. The other outfit was the look for taking pictures. Mel, I'm ready. Our arms. Oh. Hi. Say hi, Mel. Hi. One of those ones, eh? Acting like she's camera shy, but she ain't. So it's plenty time to head out. We landed, God knows, maybe 4 or 5 hours ago. Just had a shower, got ready, took some pics, heading out. Let's do this. So this is Waikiki. It's like beach nightclub, stroke beach restaurant. It gets super packed during like summer. Me gustaría Waikiki.
Vale.
Sí. Y gambas con...
Vale.
Sí. Y canaria potatoes.
Vale. Y las papitas. Waikikis.
Good, yeah. I trust you. Muchas gracias.
Gracias.
Ah, I love this song. Mel is being extremely antisocial, but we forgive her. I'll turn up by myself.
You're socialising with your internet, not me, mate.
I ain't got no internet. Hey! So my food's arrived. I'm having the Waikiki cocktail to drink, and it is absolutely delicious. And I'm having gambas con aceite de oliva. Thank you. El nombre de salsa?
Sí, es para las Canarias.
Canaria.
Canarian sauce, mojo.
Canaria. Mojo, sí. Muchas gracias.
Rojo y verde.
Mojo y verde. So this is the mojo, and it's the sauce of FUERTEVENTURA. Red and green mojo. And that is Mel's. That is. She's got the surf and turf. That's fucking bangs there. Ah, it looks sick, not gonna lie.
Supermarket, because there's one that's 2.4 kilometers, but it looks like it's a small, tiny one. It might not have the stuff we want when I looked on it. It's that one. Okay. I think it's still like Olivia, this one, but it looks like it's like a better supermarket. Like it's got all stuff in it.
Okay,
you know
cool.
what I mean?
Yeah, cool. All right, babes. 5. How long do you need?
Literally, I'm just gonna drown with them.
Okay, cool. So guys, good morning. We are heading to a supermarket. Oh, it's my tune. Wait. So yeah, we're gonna head to the supermarket and just stock up the fridge. And then we're gonna come back and get ready. Can you see if it's gonna be a nice day? It's alright, like it's warming up a bit, but it's definitely like sun's not out. It's definitely not warm. So today is gonna be chilled vibes. So part of the dramas I said that I went through yesterday, my phone literally just crashed on the flight over. Can you imagine? First day of holiday. Hi. First day of holiday, my phone's crashed. I can't post anything on Instagram, can't post any selfies, no stories. I'm in this beautiful location and nobody knows that I'm here. So I'm gonna try and get my phone fixed today. We're gonna go to town, have a little wander through Coralejo, which is like the main kind of like town in FUERTEVENTURA. We're gonna take a lot of shots by the pool and just generally just have a chilled, relaxing day. So yeah. My little paradise.
I like your
Since we got back from the shop, and now we're just gonna head to the pool, take some more pics, and if the weather's decent we'll probably have a little swim as well. Mo's gonna head, no idea where she is, but I'm looking good and feeling good. Okay. Of Correlate here. I'm trying to fix my phone. Now sitting down to have a drink on the promenade and listening to some live music. Wow, there. Views, fam. And that sunshine. This Ella Fitzgerald summertime.
Do you sing?
No.
Sing.
I wish.
You look like
get her up there.
You look like a professional singer.
She's a singer.
Yeah?
Definitely not.
For real?
Definitely not a singer.
So reservation for tomorrow?
Let's see.
Ah, yeah.
Can we look at your menu as well? Thank you.
Time.
What do you recommend?
I recommend everything.
Are you gonna pay for everything for us or?
Maybe everything you want.
Oh wow, that
Amy deserves the
sounds...
best. Amy, right? Or Amy?
Melissa.
Melissa.
Melly.
Oh, I'm Mimi.
You are Amy.
No, you're me.
Mimi.
Mimi and Mamie.
And Melissa.
And Melly.
Alright. So you only
Always.
come here for like a
Sun,
season?
winter, and go back.
Yeah, and
May.
then do the, yeah.
7 years. I love it.
Perfect.
What else do you need?
It's latte here, what do you think? Because it's for two.
Yeah, let's do it, girl. Yeah, looks like the one is meant prawns, crayfish, everything. Yeah, we're here.
Bang, like, that's gonna be a pic for the gram.
And it will taste better.
That too. That too. Imagine when you order your food, not for how it tastes, but how it's gonna look on the gram here. Give Mr. Man a little something. Good morning YouTube. So it is our third day, second full day in FUERTEVENTURA, and it's our last full day, so tomorrow we fly back. So we really want to make the most of it. Yesterday we ended up having dinner and deciding to stay in, which was not the plan. So yeah, But today we're going to go to the pool, sunbathe, have a few drinks, take some pics. Then we're going to go to Corlejo again, wander through the streets. I'm going to try and vlog a bit more because I feel like I haven't vlogged that much, mainly because like I've been doing a lot of driving and trying to get my phone fixed, which I haven't managed to do, and that's kind of like brought my trip down a bit. Like imagine like you're in an amazing location and then you can't even like, I can't post anything on my story, can't really post on my feed, you know. It's quite annoying. I know like you should live in the moment, but fuck this shit. I paid money, I paid good money to come here. People need to know. So yeah, we're gonna do that today. Then tonight we're going out for a really nice fish dinner, and then we're going out in the evening. Our flight tomorrow is not till 4 p.m, so it doesn't matter if we're hungover or whatever, we're gonna have a good time. So by the way, my monokini is from African Mall. Got your girl looking snatched now, looking like a snack, looking like a meal. Starting my day with a cup of tea. So I'm just going to do my hair, do my makeup, and then we're going to head down to the pool, keeping it very simple and neutral for the day. Hasta mañana. Oh, by the way, it's awesome being able to practice my Spanish and speak Spanish again here. Like I've lost quite a bit of it, but it is slowly coming back. Yes. Ah, me gusta mucho. So guys, me and Mel have been taking our shots in this amazing scenery. Like y'all, this is freaking goals. Like we got some sick shots. So hey Mel, looking like a snack, looking like a meal. And I'm just gonna sunbathe. Got a glass of prosecco. I'm living my best life. How fire is she though? How fire? They don't know about the melanin in where the fuck are we? FUERTEVENTURA. They don't know about the melanin. I haven't seen any. Okay, there was that one brown girl, but I haven't really seen any black people since we got here. So this is the look for the final night, and this dress is from African Mall. It's cute, no? Makeup, very neutral gold. So yes, I'm gonna go out. We're going to a seafood restaurant because obviously Canary Islands has a lot of fresh fish, so we're gonna go eat, and yeah, then we're gonna go drinking and dancing and partying. That's what I was gonna say. Something like, oh, I was gonna say I'm not gonna lie to you, but like I'm not the type of person that stays out late anymore. I can't even do it. Like I'm normally like, yeah, 1 o'clock go home, but do this. I've conserved like my energy.
Do it like Bristol, bitch.
Man, like I will never be able to do it like Bristol ever again. Here we are.
Tonight is the night.
Never be able to do it like fam. So we're coming to the beach to a seafood restaurant to eat. This one looks pretty nice, but this isn't the one we're actually going to. Mel, show us your outfit. Mel is wearing nautical chic. She is serving goals. Joker.
I'm gonna get a photo of the beach.
This is views scenic. So it's right on the water. That's the restaurant right there. So this is the name of the restaurant, La Marquesina. Hola, ¿qué tal?
How are you doing?
I'm good, thank you.
I thought you're not coming.
Well, of course we're coming, we're just late. Very well.
But you still have my number, you need it.
I do, I have it. We were in bed yesterday, or I was in bed, she looked after me.
She wasn't feeling very well.
Same. Last night the DJ saved my life. Last night the DJ.
My colleague forgot to ask if you like any bread for the prawns.
Mel, that's you. For your garlic prawns, do you want any bread? Gracias.
Muy bien. Gracias. Smells having some garlic prawns. And we've got a bottle of wine as well. Look what they brought us.
Special service for these beautiful girls here today.
Thank you so much. This looks amazing. Oh, this is perfecto. Muchas gracias. This is too much. I'm like in heaven. What can make me feel this way? My girl. Pass you a glass of what?
Your glass?
My glass.
Yes, Agent.
Yeah. I get you. Now they're playing Stand By Me. But the thing is, there's always the popular stereotype that without comedy, that like almost every other race thinks that. I'm like, bitch, I'm a fucking exception. Bring me a new flavor.
Are you gonna finish all this stuff?
We are. Where's my paella?
No, paella later.
Necesito más comido.
Vale, vale.
So I got a paella as well. That's what's up.
Mujeres que hacen vino por todo el mundo. Yo la conocí en un taxi.
¡Salud!
En camino al club. Yo la conocí en un taxi. En camino.
Hola.
Hola,
¿Tu nombre es?
yo me llamo Raúl.
Raúl. ¿Qué tal, Raúl?
Pues es que me he enamorado de la que está grabando.
¿Grabando?
Con la que graba, I love you, la que graba.
Ah. Good morning, guys. So last night was mad. Wait, turn my fan on. Last night was legit mad. I was so drunk. Ugh, I know I look a hot mess, don't judge me. But this is the view to be hung over on. So we went out to a bar called Kiwi, which is really good. They played a lot of reggaeton music, danced, drank, met a lot of cute boys, especially in Italiano, Coda Italiano. Yeah, he was cute. Just gotten up, it's like 9 AM, and obviously we have to check out and leave today. But I now have to like pack. I have to pack. Let me show you guys. So we're almost ready for checkout, and I'm just making breakfast. Just gonna make some mushrooms and some eggs. So just leaving the apartment now in Fuerteventura. It's a bit messy, but We did our best. So guys, we've checked out of our Airbnb and we've come into the main Corlejo Centrum. I'm very conscious that yesterday I didn't show you guys. Yesterday I didn't, or since I've been here I haven't really shown you guys Corlejo Town Centre. So today that's what I'm gonna do. So we've got about an hour to kill before we have to head to the airport. So we're just gonna wander through the streets of Corlejo.
Chain Lonely, yeah, alcoholics. We are Baddies, in a dance we are alcoholics, alcoholics. Chronic and tonic, put the tin there, sit down, pun it, sit down, pun it. We are Baddies, in a dance we are alcoholics, alcoholics. Chronic and tonic, put the tin there, sit down, pun it. We are Baddies.
I'm Mimi adjusting me. Yeah. We are looking good and we are feeling good. I'll catch you guys soon.
Made our way when they said it's no way. The girl go knock shorty one day. To the top of my people okay. So we gon' bubble, all my homies on deck. Ride the waves when we up in them jets. Looking at these bitches, I don't see no threat. If you ain't talking checks, then your knees to step. Whoa.